because women tend to be more nervous about the market. They're looking for certainty. Well, your mortgage is certainty. So you know when it's due, you know how much you owe, and you know how much you're paying for it. And I use that rule of thumb of 6% because on average, as a long-term investor, which typically a mortgage is a long-term, whether you have 10 years or 20 years or 30 years left to pay on that mortgage, it is long-term investing. The rule of thumb is a well-diversified 60 to 40 portfolio should return more than 6% in the market. So I would prefer to see you invest rather than pay off money early. If you have a real issue and desire to hate debt and want to pay off your home, I would say that might be a flag for you to find a financial therapist to work through some comfort with that, because again, contractually, it is certainty. And I think that's something that is desirable, and you'll probably end up better off if you don't pay it off early. And fully owning your house, if you've ever done that, you know you still have homeowners insurance and property tax. So it's not like the expenses and everything has gone and it's all taken care of and you just need it to be yours. It's okay to share the title with the bank. All right. So next, what I'd like to talk about are just in kind of framing this entire presentation, we will talk about financial considerations and emotional considerations as we go through this. My goal is that you find some peace and serenity, whether you choose to stay in your home or you choose to start new. It's a tall order when we're going through upheaval in general, and maybe even just the thought of selling the family home that you've lived in for 20, 30, or 40 years is really hard for you. So one of the things that from the financial side usually requires, when you want to make a good financial decision, it requires you to be informed about your own finances.